A proper meditation pillow, it's equally as important as having a great pillow to sleep on. So when you're choosing a PineTales meditation pillow, you want to choose one that fits you best. And know that most meditation pillows out on the market are way bigger than they need to be. PineTales meditation pillows, though, they offer them in a few different sizes, and they're all filled with these little buckwheat holes that will keep this pillow cool and allow it to be adjustable in height for you. Now, the compact size from PineTales, it's the most appropriate size for most people, whether you're petite or have a regular build. This is probably going to be the best one for you. Now, just know there are larger sizes available, but you really only need the larger sizes if you are a larger build person, have wider hips, and want a little bit more surface area to sit on. Just for reference, I'm about 120 pounds, 5'6", so I'm going to sit on these PineTales meditation cushions. You get an idea of how they may fit you. So have a look. As you can see, for someone of my regular build, this size just fits perfectly. It's just enough to support those sits bones at the back of the pelvis there and give you enough support and enough rise up off the ground. Another thing to keep in mind when choosing the size is the more compact, the better, because it's not only going to be great for you to sit on, but it's also easier to carry if it's more compact. It's easier to travel with, and perhaps even your kids may use it when they're traveling or just when they're sitting on the ground to play. Now at PineTales, you know there's always more than one option, right? So they have 3 different options for meditation pillow covers. The traditional model, it has a durable cotton polyester fabric blend. The outdoor model, it comes with a water repellent, super easy to clean cover. And finally, the premium model, which is made with a cotton and polyester bottom, and then the seating area has a super soft and smooth velvet fabric on top. I love it. So if you're getting into meditation to just clear your mind and have a more positive outlook on life, then make sure that you're choosing the perfect comfortable meditation pillow to do so. So start shopping at PineTales for the perfect meditation cushion size and cover.